Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to La Cucina. Happy Saturday. Don't be a chooch. I got this from Frank Spadone. He's a comedian from Canada. He's a very funny guy. We went to see him last weekend, my wife and I, a few friends, and we had a great time. You know, he's a Barese. Hey, Joe, I'm sure you know Frank Spadone from Canada. So I told him to look me up on the La Cucina. We'll see what happened. But I bought this shirt there. I thought it was very nice. My father used to tell me all the time, don't be a chooch, Pasqua. And look, beautiful. All right, I'm having some espresso. Nice. So today, what we doing? Simple, guys. You know what this is? We call it in Italia Mele Cotogne. Mele Cotogne is the sour apple in America and a Quincy in Spanish. This is very, very good. We make jams out of it. We make many things, but the best thing we do is liquore di Mele Cotogne. It's a liquor of Mele Cotogne, which is amazing. My mom used to make this all the time. And when I was little, she used to make it for us, and she used to give it to us when we had stomachache or for digestion. Very good. If you eat it like this, when you cut it, you eat it, it's very sour, like it's just like, it's your mouth gets like dry out. My mom, we used to crush them, then used to put on a cloth, and then squeeze the juice out of it. Once the juice came out, then she used to keep it in a container. She used to take it almost like it comes out like a little foam on top. She used to clean that up. And then, of course, grain alcohol, sugar, make the simple syrup out of the sweet juice that comes out of here, and an amazing liqueur, and also healthy for us in a moderation, guys. If you guys have one of these, the job, it's much easier. Look at this. You can see it just from looking at it. This is dry. I love it though. I eat it like this all the time. Make sure you wash them first. This apples, if you cut them open, you let it sit for like 5-6 minutes, they start to turn brown. They oxidate very easy. I'll do a little one, and then I'll stop the video, and I'll come back when this is done, because you guys don't want to hear all these noises. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, it works, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. See, still, after I clean it, it creates the same thing, the foam. It comes up for a little while. So Mom used to keep it, I think, a whole day, I think. I don't remember exactly. But first, before I do that, because it's going to keep doing it, I want to make sure that we have 1 liter available. And we can also do this. If there is any pulp, but there's no pulp here. You can use cheesecloth too. Almost. Yeah, there is pulp. Look at that. There is some. It's mostly from that foam. All right. This is all the pulp that comes out on the other side of the machine. Put it in here. Look how beautiful, guys. You know what I do with this? Compost. So this I'm gonna leave it for a little while. Then we're gonna put it in the pot, and we're gonna warm it up just enough. You want to see me? We're gonna warm it up just enough to make it warm so we can put the sugar in and can melt. And then that's it. Then we're gonna leave it, cool it off, and then after it cools off, we're gonna mix it with the grain alcohol, just like we do Limoncello. Same concept, guys. Mele Cotogne, remember, Mele Cotogne in Italia, Quincy in Spanish, and sour apple in America. But this is so good. Once you guys try it, if you do it, if you make it, and you try it, you're gonna say, Pasquale, quando è bello. I'll see you soon. Ciao. All right, guys, so I'm going to pass the juice through a cheesecloth, clean, of course, brand new. I cut a piece off in the strainer, so that way we don't have all this, see this foam in here? Make sure that it goes away. My mom used to do this all day long and to let the foam come out, and then they used to take it off and get rid of it. But I think this is not a better way, but it's easier to do through a cheesecloth and a strainer, of course. And it's very hard too, look at that. It's very strong. Let's see if we can squeeze it like Mom used to do. Yeah, guys, it works. I still use the strainer though, just in case. And then you just rinse this up and you use it again. Okay, guys, see the way it became? It becomes like a light, it's almost beige, the color. It gets darker as it goes. So now I pass it through everything. Squeeze it all up. There's no more of that foam. This makes 2 bottles, actually 4 bottles, because we're gonna need 2 bottles of alcohol. So I'm gonna put this, let me see. So, I'm gonna put it here, and we're going to warm it up a little bit, not to boil, but warm it up. We're gonna start putting sugar in here, even though it's not hot yet, but I'm gonna be turning it until it melts everything, because I don't want this to get hot. I want just warm, just enough to melt all the sugar. We're gonna let it cool off, room temperature, then come back and create the beautiful, sweet Mele Cotogne liqueur. All right, guys, don't be a chooch. Time to mix it up. It's nice and room temperature, so we're gonna play on it. Let's do this. So this is 2 bottles of grain alcohol. And that's all we gotta do now. We mix everything up. It's 1. And we have to do the other one too. And when it stays, it gets darker too. Longer it stays, darker it gets. Now we just gotta turn it, mix it all up nice. Smells nice. And I'm reusing the bottles. Okay. Now we can do this, or we can do this. Where is my little cupino? There we go. So, Nonna Rosa, my grandmother, used to make this, and we used to only have it when somebody had indigestion, stomach ache, or whatever. Okay, I'm going to do another bottle, but before that, we have to do the tasting so I don't stay here for 3 hours with you guys. You guys are gonna get bored. Ok, liquore di Mele Cotogne. Saying in Italian, liquore di Mele Cotogne. It's sour apple liquor, or Quincy in Spanish. Salute everybody. Oh, mamma mia. To my brother Enzo. Enzo, you should make this. And sell it in your restaurant. Mamma mia, delizioso. This is so good. You remember Enzo? Enzo, let me speak in dialect. Ti ricordi quando la nonna e mamma facevano questo? Il liquore del Mele Cotogne. La Mele Cotogne in Barese, in Moffettese. Frank Spadone. Make sure che a tua madre fai questo, che questa è la fine del mondo. Buonissimo. Ciao a tutti. I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend, everybody. Ciao. Salute.